Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Now yesterday we were trading down 1%, but I said not to worry because we have Jerome Powell speaking later on, and wow, what a statement and a conference call it was. The chairman of the Fed come out and stated that, he has no interest in raising interest rates. He's not even thinking about it, and even better, the dot chart come out. And now the dot chart is used to predict when, members of the Fed anticipate for the interest rates to be hiked, and the majority of the Fed, so most of the members in the Fed, anticipate a interest rate hike after 2023. So traders were anticipating for it to stay at the end of 2023, but a lot of the Fed members have actually said that they anticipate the interest rates to start hiking after 2023, so going into 2024. So the meeting was a lot more dovish than traders were initially anticipating, which is fantastic for stocks. Low interest rates benefit stocks because companies don't have to pay such high interest when borrowing money, and of course it doesn't affect their projected cash flows. So Nasdaq 100, we're trading in the red today, to many traders' surprise, and that's because we've had the 10-year bond notes, the 10-year bond yields rising yet again. We're now above the 1.7 candle, but that being said, if you look at the 10-year yield chart, we've now got to an area where we have seen previous resistance if you go back to roughly 12 months ago. So this is an area where I do expect the 10-year yields to kind of stabilize and not really go much higher than that 2% mark. So that should be positive for stocks. Right now in front of me is a fantastic buying opportunity. It's as simple as that. We're down at 13,000. We're at the 50-day EMA. It would be good to see us close above 13,000 at the end of today's trading session. That would indicate that the 50-day EMA has continued to hold. For those who've been watching my videos for some time, I am a very bullish on the Nasdaq 100. I have officially bought the dip. I bought it last week, and I'm targeting up towards 13,300, 13,500 and 13,900. No interest in selling. I do not sell the US indices, because if you sell the US indices, that means you're betting against America, and that's just something you can't do. If you zoom out of this chart, it will tell you historically what has happened over the past, decade or so. We've just gone higher and higher and higher, and that is the reason I do not bet against the Nasdaq 100 or any other US indices. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. I see a move up towards 13,300 and 13,500 going into next week.